Now, this AI video editor edits your videos for you in just 1 minute, and it does this by analyzing your mistakes, your repetitions, and parts that does not fit the clip basically, and it would cut them out and leave the clips that are necessary. So this AI is in the CapCut PC video editor. So now let me show you how to use it. So I've imported the video I want to edit. Click on the plus button, and then you can see that at the beginning there was silence, and also in between the clips there are some parts that I didn't say anything, or mistakes or pauses or repetitions. So I'm going to click here, which is where the auto caption begins. So now it's going to identify your repetitions, your fillers, and your pauses, analyze them, and to identify which parts to be trimmed out. So that's what it's doing currently now. Now it's done. You can see all these parts. It has removed the filler words. This is a repetition here. It's removed. This is a pause here. So it has removed quite a good number of clips. So you can also watch through them, and if there's any part you don't like, just click here and that part should be removed. So when you're done, you can also click here to create a compound clip. So all this clip will be merged into one clip, and then click on delete. So when you click on delete, all these useless clips here, all these useless clips that has been crossed out would be removed, leaving you with only the clips you want. You can also not choose this compound clip, but if you don't choose the compound clip, then your clips would come out in pieces instead of like one whole clip together. I prefer not to create compound clips because there might be things in between that I still want to remove. So I'm going to unselect this and delete. So as you can see, now it is 1 minute and 36 seconds. Let's see how many minutes it was before, because I didn't check. It was 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Now it is 1 minute and 36 seconds. So it has removed all the pauses and repetitions, and sometimes, because it's AI, obviously it's not going to be as accurate as humans, so it's good to cross check. So that's basically how it helps you edit your videos. You can export it here, and that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe.